Gabe Simpson is a small-town guy looking to make a big impact on the world. A student at Oklahoma State University, Gabe wants to bring his education and skills back home to the Cherokee Nation to help others do the same.
When I walk on this field of dreams, I am not alone. When I work toward my personal goals, I honor those who came before me. When I suit up to play ball, I push for greatness, for all of us. And when I succeed, we all succeed. I am a Gates Scholar. I am a footballer. I'm a hooper too, y'all. I am Gabe Simpson. I am Cherokee. I am Wolf Clan. Being from a small town, you get a real sense of community, like we're all in this together. Jay, Oklahoma is not just a small town, it's a small Cherokee town. We take pride in that. My family's all here, or at least in the area. We are pretty tight-knit. We support each other. Stick together, I guess.
But the award I'm most proud of is he's a two-time academic all-stater. And then he was the honor student. Out of 108 students, he got the honor medallion for his graduating class. I'm very proud of him.
But Jay's also a poor town. There's no other way to put it. Lots of people just doing the best they can, going from paycheck to paycheck, making ends meet. Going to school here, we didn't have a lot of resources. We just had to make do. That's just small town Oklahoma. You gotta have grit. Growing up here, we always talked about getting out. Like, what can I do to make sure I leave this place and don't get stuck here? And people do get stuck. It can be a vicious cycle. But getting out, to me, is not just about leaving town. It's about finding success. And right now, that's the road I'm on.
Now, the other day when we were working out, he's just laying down.
Who?
No.
Laying down? 15. Ryan did this one time. 19.
That's 21.
You didn't get the chin blow.
Nope.
That's probably pretty easy.
Yeah, it's easy.
Hold it. I don't want to fall. I've been competitive my whole life. It's part of who I am. That competitiveness, it drives me. It pushes me to do better, to win.
He's weak.
From the small everyday moments in life,
Oh, no! I got it.
just hanging out with my family or friends, we compete. And even in my education, I don't like it when someone beats me on a test, and I want to be a doctor. Getting ready for med school isn't easy, but neither is playing 2 sports in the NCAA. But if you're driven, you can accomplish your goals and you can win. If I'm not winning or getting an A, I know I need to work harder. My grandpa taught me that. It may sound cliche, but failure isn't an option. It's not in my DNA. After all, I am Wolf Clan. I come from Cherokee warriors, war chiefs in times of war. Those who couldn't afford to lose, or they'd lose everything. Rebecca Nugent, the last survivor of the Trail of Tears, That's my clan. I am the answer to their prayers. I go to war every day. My war is different, but it's still a war. I am still fighting for our people. We are still here, and we are winning. We are thriving. From one generation to the next, we are building ourselves up. They say it takes a village. Well, our village is strong. We are survivors. We are fighters. We are allies, and we are leaders. Through our youth, we will succeed. Standing on the shoulders of our ancestors, we will achieve. We will find that success. And when we do, we will bring it home. Home to the Cherokee Nation.